Shawty really bad. Words of your face, something like a bat. Well, I want your love, call me when you can. Girl, going up, going down, in and out, turn around. Shawty really bad. Words of your face, something like a bat. Well, I want your love.
You know, we in the mall, man. We better cop them Jordan 6 Flints, you know, something like, you know, you little cop, you know, whatever, man. So we better go to the store right now. I'll record when I get in there. Peace. I'm gonna have the camera down because I know a lot of people don't like getting recording shit like that. So yeah, peace.
Yeah, my mom's 317 937 9387. Yeah. I'll put this car one time.
It's your boy Snagger, man. So today, guys, I'm gonna be showing y'all a little review on the shoes, man. You know what else I copped for, you know, with the little Jordans, you know what I'm saying? So I'm in my other little room because they playing copyrighted music and stuff like that. I don't want to get copyrighted for this video, so I'm gonna show y'all the Jordan 6 Flints review. You know what I'm saying? You know, a little heat, man. You know, something like little pickup, man. So let's get it. Let's go. Bow. You already know, 352 subscribers. That way, you know what I'm saying? 400 soon. You know what I'm saying, man? So yeah, let's go. We got the little bag right here, you know, something like, you know, Finish Line, you know, they ain't had it in no other store, so I'm gonna put up the bag right now. Yes, I got one arm, and you know, my peoples, you know, told me set up the camera, but I can't do it this time. Bag out. You know, bag right there. I mean, box, man. My fault, man. I can't talk. I'm tired. You know, I might show you a little shirt that I caught with it. Saying, hold up, give me a sec, cuz. Give me a sec, my God. I'm about just, you know. Little shirt. Hold on, give me a sec, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. And y'all, yeah, here's the shirt right here, you know, nice little couple t-shirt, you know, little $35 dollars, man, something like, man, you know, crispy, you know, I got a little front, but you know, I got one well, you know, that was, I did not call it off, but that's really, man, you know, shirt, nice little couple shirt. So we better come with the shoes, man. We better come with the, you know what I'm saying, a little heat, man, you know what I'm saying, so. Yeah, so y'all ready for the heat, man? Oh, head ass, but yeah, you know what I'm saying, man. So I'm up with the rapper. Oh yeah, a little heat. Oh yeah, you know what I'm saying, man. Little heat, bro. Something light, man. You know we got the suede. You know You know I'm not gonna definitely wear my suede. You know something light. Stuff falling off that hoe. You know, I had to get the shirt cut and match, right? Look, boom, boom, boom. You know, give me a nice little black little jeans. That's really it though. Icy blue bottom, you know, something like purple. You know, nice little clip, whatever you want to call it. Nice. I'm on sneakerhead, but you know, like that. So this gonna be like my first pair of sixes ever, y'all. That's a nice little pickup. That's really it. You know, I would do a shoe review, but I ain't trying to do all that right now. But yeah, that's a nice little cop, man. I'm gonna put out the other shoes real quick. You know, I ain't trying to stand up, man. That's really it, man. So, yeah. See y'all boys later. Peace.